On this video, I'm going to tell you about the Joy Organics private label program. This is a great program where you can take any of the Joy Organics products and put your label on them. So you can benefit from the credibility of our proven products and sell them under your label and make money. So let's take a look at this program. First of all, to understand Joy Organics. Joy Organics is the #1 USDA-Certified Organic CBD brand in America. We offer more USDA-Certified Organic formulas than any other CBD company. We are also a top 10 CBD brand. Why is this important when looking at private label? It's because it allows you to understand that the products that you'd be putting your label on are coming from a company that is highly successful. These product formulas are proven, they're not on trial, so you can feel confident of putting your label on them. We also are a family-owned and operated business. My son Jared is our Chief Marketing Officer. My daughter Hannah, she runs all of our communications. My brother Barry, he's our Chief Executive Officer, and so we just love working together as a family, and obviously we treat all the employees, even if they're not family, as family. What makes our products different as far as the big picture overview? Number one, our oil is grown on USDA-certified organic farms. We try to source all of our ingredients, for that matter, from USDA-certified organic farms, not just our CBD oil. We then use only the flowers or the buds from the plant. We do not use the leaves, the stems, the stalks, or the seeds. The flowers have the highest concentration of cannabinoids, and therefore, those are what we use for our products. We then take those buds, grind them down. We then use them in an extraction process called CO2 extraction, a very safe extraction process, perhaps the most popular of all extraction processes now used in the industry today. We then take the oil that comes from that through a purification process where we remove the chlorophyll and the waxes and the unwanted plant compounds that really don't offer any benefit to the product at all. We then manufacture all of our products in CGMP certified facilities. These are the highest rated facilities. Many are ISO certified, USDA certified, organic, sports certified. These are large facilities that manufacture high volumes of products. I mean, if you were to take as an example, our soft gels, they're manufactured at a soft gel company that has line after line after line of doing nothing but making millions of soft gels every day. And so these are high quality companies, not mom and pop operations. Because of our purification process, our products taste great. Our topicals don't have any type of a hemp smell to them. And so again, it's all part of what's made Joy Organics such a successful and popular brand. So let's take a look at the products that we offer to our private label partners, just as far as a quick overview. The details of these products you can watch in another video, which is our product introduction video. But as far as the categories of products that we offer here at Joy Organics, there's over 50 products that you can buy with your own label on them. We have a USDA certified organic tincture collection with both full and broad spectrum tinctures. We've got 3 different flavors of our full spectrum, 4 different flavors of our broad spectrum, and we offer those in a variety of strengths. We then also have our topical collection where we offer a collection of different creams, salves, massage oil for different purposes that might benefit your consumers. We then have a complete soft gel selection. These are 5 different products that we offer here, all using a nano emulsion technology. And if you're not familiar with nano emulsion, if you were to think about a basketball as a CBD particle, and then you sonicate that into a size that's about 1/400th of that into a size of a BB, that is what nano emulsion does. And then we use a water-soluble formula that has a higher bioavailability. Since our bodies are made of water, anything that is water-soluble is going to be more easily absorbed. So again, a great selection here. We've got 4 different broad spectrum formulas and 1 full spectrum. And again, you can learn about all of these in our product presentation video. We then have a line of USDA certified organic gummies, both broad spectrum and full spectrum. We also have a pet collection that includes pet chews, as well as USDA certified organic pet tinctures. And then we have our high potency THC collection, where if you take those products, you're gonna look a little bit like she looks, all happy and cheerful. So again, we have all of those as well. Now, as far as our professional label design services, one of the great things about working with Joy Organics, unlike anybody else that you're gonna find in Google that does private label, is the fact that we have our own brand. We have a top brand. And it's kind of weird for me to say this, but we have spent hundreds of hours on our labels. We have spent more than $100,000 in legal fees, designing labels, getting them compliant, having different firms review them. Obviously, the industry is unregulated, so we've wanted to make sure we've taken every step to protect our asset at Joy Organics, and all that we've learned, we then carry forward in the design of our labels for our private label partners. Now, I will tell you that we have launched more than 1,000 different private label brands, from spas to apothecaries to pet groomers to CBD stores, and which is more than anybody else. I'd bet $100,000 that there is no company that has launched more CBD brands than we have. We have designed labels for all these brands that are all fully compliant labels, so there's a lot of benefit you're going to gain in working with Joy Organics. Everybody else that you're going to see in Google that does private label, all they do is private label, and I would bet you they have spent 1/100th the amount of time and money that we've spent on our labels. I mean, just even the fonts. When you look at a tincture label, there's a difference in the fonts that you can use that make them stand out. And so we have done all kinds of testing, all kinds of research, and again, all of that you're going to benefit from when we design your labels. So our labels are all FDA compliant according to the dietary supplement guidelines, which for ingestibles is how we've labeled all of our products. That's how all the top CBD brands label their products, as dietary supplements, and then our topicals are labeled according to the topical guidelines. We charge just $100 to design your label. So what we've spent a fortune learning and paying legal fees on, we'll design your labels for $100 each. We have a 2-day turnaround time on our label designs. You can get the USDA-Certified Organic badge on your product with us for only a $100 fee per label. Most other companies that offer USDA-Certified Organic private label charge $500 to $600 per label to get those labels certified, but because of the sheer quantity that we're getting certified, we're able to get discounts, and we pass those discounts along to you, our private label partners. And then if you need a logo designed, we specialize in that as well. And when you think about a logo that's on a tincture bottle, it's very small. So we know exactly how to design logos that really look great when they're reduced down in size. And so we're happy to provide for you logo design services as well. When you start working with us, you'll work with an account advisor. That account advisor is going to show you a lot of different label design templates that you can go through and look at so that you can see, hey, I like this part of this label, I like this part of this label. And so you'll see there's a lot of different options that we provide for you as far as templates to get ideas of how we display milligrams per serving, how we display different colors or flavors. So again, you'll be able to go look at a lot of these different templates that you see here and design and decide which one you like, what pieces and parts you like. If you currently have a brand, if you're a spa and you've got your own brand, or an apothecary, if you just give us the artwork for any of your existing labels and give us any feedback of how you would like us to design your labels, we're happy to do that. It's very easy for us if we know exactly what your current brand looks like, and we can just carry that over into your CBD label. So as you can see, a lot of different options there that you can go through to get ideas. Again, we've designed thousands of labels, so we're really good at it. It's all the team does. They don't design marketing materials for Joy Organics. Our label design team only designs labels, and they are great at it. So the other thing that's important to understand is that every label that we design is going to have a QR code. That QR code, when scanned, is going to take your consumer to a third-party website where they're going to be able to review the lab reports on that product. On that third-party site, there is no mention of Joy Organics. Joy Organics is not on the lab reports, so it's nice and convenient, easy for you Unlike all the other private label brands, they're going to give you lab reports, but then you've got to post them on your website. You've got to provide a QR code, just a lot more work. We simplify all of that for all of our partners. And one of the great things about Joy Organics, and we were the very first company to do full panel lab testing because it was part of our commitment to transparency. In an industry that is the Wild West with lack of transparency, we have made transparency a big priority for Joy Organics. We do 6 different panels of labs on our final product. We test all the ingredients that go into our products, and all of those, again, can be accessed through a QR code on your label. As far as our private label pricing, very competitive. We have tiered pricing so that you can get started maybe with, let's say a $2,500 order, and as you place each order, that elevates your tier, allowing you to get larger discounts. And so you'll get a private label brochure that will show you all the different discounted tiers. You can see that in looking at that, you can get up to 80% off of the retail price. Great pricing, and we offer monthly specials on different products that you can choose that will allow you to even get larger savings. As far as our ordering process, it's nice and easy. You'll have an account advisor that's assigned to you that works with hundreds of brands. I mean, really smart gals. All they do is this. This is all they've done for years and can give you a lot of advice along the way, a lot of insights. One of the things too is black labels or metallic labels. We offer all those, but we not only offer those, but we also understand that they have to be designed a little bit differently so that everything shows up properly on those. Your account advisor can provide all that insight for you. Our private label program is great because you can get just 12 units of a SKU, not 100 or 500 units of a SKU. All the orders are shipped within 7 days. So once you pay for your order, we ship that order within 7 days. As far as some perks that you can enjoy by being a partner of Joy Organics, and this is true for all of our private label partners, blank bottle partners, or even wholesale partners, is our service. We take great pride in the service that we offer. It's one of the reasons why we are successful as a company is we're very focused on the customer experience. In fact, we have monthly meetings where it's all about the customer experience. We look at reviews and complaints that might come in to our call center, whether they're shipping delays or whatever it may be. How can we address this? How can we provide a better experience? And we do the same thing with our private label program, where we really take pride in our response times, in the quality of service we provide our partners. We offer business consulting and concierge services. So if you're getting started with us and you want to know, hey, here's the type of business I've got, here's my target market, what products do you recommend? We can tell you. We've worked with whatever kind of business you have. The odds are high that we work with a lot of other businesses just like yours, and we can tell you what's popular, what sells best in those kind of businesses, and help you in every way that we can. If you need merchant processing, banking, photography, it doesn't matter. We've got sources that we can refer to you that can help you with everything that you need to have. We're even willing to do staff trainings for your whole staff to train them on the product so that they're informed and educated. We can train your customer service team on the most common questions that they're going to get and how to best address those. We have quarterly Zoom trainings where we provide information on new products that are in development, on updates with the FDA, things that are really going to help you on a quarterly basis build your business. We've got more than 75 training videos on everything from search engine optimization to how to get ranked in maps to creating high conversion rates on your website. All the things that we have learned at Joy Organics and building a top brand, we teach to you, our private label partners, because the more successful you are, the more successful we are. We then offer fulfillment services to select clients so that we can handle all the order fulfillment for you. And we've got a resource center where anything that you might need that I've not talked about here today, the odds are that we've got available for you, because if you need it, other companies have needed the same type of thing. So as far as your next step, we just want to highlight that you can complete the online application if you're currently on our website, or you can send an email to privatelabel@joyorganics.com. I would highly recommend that you watch the video, 15 considerations when selecting a private label supplier. We talk about a lot of things on there, from us creating 3D product renderings for you, to putting barcodes on your product, to the freshness of the products and our commitment to providing you long-lasting products with long best buy dates. All of this are things that are very important in selecting a private label partner that we've not yet covered here on this video. And by the way, let me just tell you that there is probably nothing more important in your decision in launching your CBD brand than who you partner with. Because if you make the wrong decision and you partner with the wrong company, it is going to be a nightmare for you. I mean, changing products from one company to another is not a good experience for your customers. And so we talk a lot about that on the video, 15 considerations in selecting a private label partner so that you can make the best educated decision that works for you and your business. We currently encourage you to watch our product introduction video so you can learn all about our products. We offer more than 50 different products under your label. We'd highly recommend that you watch our Joy Organics label design process video to where you can learn more about how our label design process works. If you're getting a new business started in the CBD space, I've created 10 videos that walk through the 10 steps to building a CBD brand that I would highly recommend that you watch. They're all the things that we incorporated at Joy Organics and building, again, one of the top brands in the industry. And then you can watch the video on our top selling products so that as you're deciding what products to sell, you're probably not going to want all 50. You can see which ones are most popular, which flavors are most popular, what strengths are most popular. All of that is covered on that video. And again, the account advisor that you're working with is very happy to help you. So that's a little bit on our private label program. We hope that you'll take the time to review the additional videos, reach out, talk to one of our account advisors, and learn more about the services that we can provide for you here at Joy Organics. Thank you.